What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Now, I do have to say, in the beginning of this video, excuse my enthusiasm because I was very tired. On another note, before we start the video, I just want to thank everyone who came to the channel and subbed from when I started to now. Got a lot of subscribers from the R6 video, so there will be more videos on that. My face is probably a mess right now. I've been working on this damn car. But anyways, like I said, I want to thank everyone who subscribed because your boy got to 100K, and now I have this thing. You know what I mean? So that's pretty dope. So instead of unboxing and, separate video just for this, how's it going? Thank you for 100K, whether you were here from the beginning or whether you just subscribed or whatever. But without further ado, let's get to the video. I'm really trying to keep this video under 15 minutes, but we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys, on the other side. So here is my 2002 WRX. I basically wanted something stock, but I wanted something turbo, but I wanted something with all-wheel drive, so I got this. And it came with like month-old BC coilovers, so that's good. I wanted a WRX that was completely like stock, and this thing's pretty close. I mean, it has a down pipe. I'm definitely going to be putting my up pipe on it, so it's decatted, because I don't want the cat ever going into the turbo, because that would not be dope. But aside from that, everything's stock ECU, stock tune, all that stuff, bone stock, no check engine light, exactly what I wanted. Yeah, let me show you the interior. So pretty standard WRX interior, but I got the cool like 2012 seats. I was able to get all the front end parts very cheap. Got two fenders in good condition. They're not all rotted out at the bottom. They were spray painted, so they're gonna have to be sanded down. The hood has one pretty sizable ding right there, but that's not going to be too bad to do some light body work on, and a couple little like small dings, like I don't know if you can see, like there's like a little one right here, and there's like three on this area. I can see one down here, but overall in pretty good condition. Bumper's in good condition. It's been cut for a front mount, so maybe we'll do that eventually.
I wanted a WRX that was completely like stock,
but it doesn't really change the look of the bumper, so it doesn't matter to me. Oh, actually, yeah, they cut out that top piece, whatever. Maybe I have to do a front mount for it to look good. I don't know. I'm willing to do that, though, because the engine's still going to stay pretty much stock. Anyways, fenders, rear support, bumper, rear bumper. Might be getting a different rear bumper because this one's kind of clapped. I just kind of got it with the taillights. Yes, of course, Blob taillights is the best taillights. Don't let anyone tell you different. Watch out, fender. And a set of headlights. Pretty crispy. There's the other one. They both came with HIDs. I'll be swapping LEDs. No biggie. But that is the general outline for this project of what I'm doing. This will be my pre-H2OI project. I will be driving this car down to H2O, so if you guys are going, throw it down in the comments. Well, that's enough for that introduction. I guess let's get to the rest of the video. Now with this, I'm going to be completely honest, I'm way too lazy to drill out all the spot welds like I've done with the Type R front end swaps or whatever, JDM Integra front end swaps, whatever you want to call them. I'm just going to cut and weld. Boom, the whole front end is off. Look at that. Not that bad. Alright, so basically what I'm doing first is bolting up the fenders like I usually do with the Type R JDM Integra front end swaps. because once you bolt up the fenders, you get a good idea of where everything's going to land, and then you can go ahead and start welding the actual support. But what I do after this is basically I'm going to get the fenders bolted on and situated until they look like they line up good enough and perfect. Then I'm going to put the headlights in. Then I'm going to take the hood off, and then obviously once everything's lined up, the bumper will line up. You don't have to worry about the bumper because the bumper's just gonna, it doesn't matter. What you're really paying attention to is the fenders first, then the headlight and hood, because you want all of those lines to line up, and the bumper just bolts onto the upper part of the radiator support that I'm replacing. I'm not cutting out the whole thing or drilling out the whole thing. It's just, you know, slice, tack, send it, you know, it's gonna be good. Boom! And that's why you don't have to cut the whole thing. Alright, well, I didn't show this because it's boring and really easy to figure out, but just in case, you gotta get the connectors from the 04, 05, you know, the Blob Eye, Jammy, or Hawkeye, whatever you're doing, and splice it in there. The colors do match if you get the right ones from each side, so just do that, and then this is gonna be the high beam whenever I wire that, but I just need low beams right now because your boy gotta drive home because it is dark now. Check this out. Done. I've been working on this for 2 hours, right? No, I'm not completely done, but I do have a Blob Eye front end on my car. 2 hours. Cool. These little things here, and here's a little inside of the car, you know, experience. Since well, let me turn off my blazing AC, which is gorgeous. I know it's slow, but I like it. But anyways, time for oh, damn it. This isn't even the bad side. Shit. I gotta get the other side. This side might just be some Bondo. I might not even have to do any welding on this side. The other side, though, let's grind that off and see what we're working with underneath that. I don't know if that's Bondo or it's definitely Bondo. There's I don't know what kind of, like, why would you even apply it if you're not even gonna sand it? I don't know, it's weird, but let's grind it off and see what's underneath it. Obviously, you can see Bondo here. This car has had body work done to it at some point. That's probably why the paint is fading on this quarter and the clear is coming off. I'm gonna make a template of this out of cardboard, which I have right there. And then I'm gonna trace it onto some metal that I have, which is some pretty thick stuff. Paint the back of it, sand it, and put it back on this. Make it look good. Very thin coat of Bondo will be good. Cool. Alright, well, the good old Mako ain't scared. I've gotten work done here before. This thing's gonna come out sick, and you guys are gonna bug out when you see the color. You're gonna know by the thumbnail. But, well, if you know me at all, you know what color this is gonna be. So Don is bringing me, I don't know when the last time I filmed was, but Don's bringing me to go get my car now.
It's a fucking camera on my face.
Yeah, right? Isn't this weird?
So weird.
I told Callie I was editing last night. She goes, ew. She said that she did the same thing.
Damn.
Oh, gnar.
Oh, man.
I am very happy with this color. I am so happy with it. It's exactly what I wanted. Oh, man, dude. It looks so sick. I can't, dude. I'm going to go put these wheels on right now. I really hope I ordered everything right in like my spacers, or I mean my adapters and everything, or I just hope everything goes well. Yeah, so now I'm here. Don't worry, this video won't go up for like another 5 days, 6 days.
Bro, I've been already posted on my story. I really don't care.
Oh, really?
Dude, yeah, I'm not one of those.
I'm just, you know.
You haven't posted
No one
in a
even
while.
dude, no one even knows I have this car yet.
Yeah,
It's
you
been
haven't
like
posted
3
in
months.
a while. That's a different story.
It's been like, nah, it's been like 2.5 months, maybe 3 months, and no one even knows I have this, so that's why I'm like don't post yet. But anyways, yeah, so I got these wheels, and we're gonna put them on, and hopefully everything goes well.
Alright, so this side.
Honestly, I don't even mind that, but we're gonna go lower and get some more camber. Actually, that looks like it has positive camber right now, but once I drive it, that will go away. Maybe, I don't know. Next morning, got the fitment kind of where I want it. Just need to align it, and I forgot my wrenches. Oh yeah, I forgot to film this part because it was really easy and I've done it before, so if you just search my name and then JDM taillight mod, the video will come up with the full explanation. But also, I got the parking lights in. You have to unbolt the headlights so no one ever changes them, so the bulbs are just dead, so put some amber ones in there because I like that. And then JDM taillight mod. Don't know if it's actually JDM, that's just what people call it. Basically, it just makes those the running lights. And the way I do it, some people just make just this the brake light. I make it so that both of these are the brake light. It's like that on Callie's car as well. I may have did something to the exhaust. Sounds cool though. So yeah, I stopped by Don's. I'm gonna chill here for a little bit. So yeah, Don decided to bring both the S14 and the BMW to H2O. He's making Amber drive the whole way with this thing. No pressure.
Whatever.
As long as you don't hit a chupacabra like this dude did in fucking... what was that, 2016?
I think so, yeah.
But yeah, this is what we're doing, so... Yeah, I don't know. I don't really have anything else to film. I'll do like the little outro thing at some point. Oh yeah, I also forgot to film this. Callie's over there getting milkweed.
Huh?
I said you're over there getting milkweed. We just got some food at this nice place. She likes my car as well. Just figured there should probably be a very brief Callie cameo in this video. She's getting milkweed for her swallow. What is a swallowtail in monarch?
Oh, come on. What do you think swallowtails eat, Damian?
I don't
Parsley, parsley.
know. What? They eat different things?
Parsley, dill, fennel. Monarchs eat this. Yes.
You gotta be shitting me. She got her hair did today.
There's aphids on it.
She looking fucking... You know what I mean? Alright, well... Yeah. I'm gonna end the video soon.